over here and smoke some weed.
Yeah.
You don't got a lighter? You got a lighter, Bob?
No, sorry.
Turbo! Come here. I need a lighter. You don't have a light? Fuck you, you don't have a light. Turbo's cut. I'm not smoking anymore weed. I know he has a light. He's just telling me he doesn't.
What a jerk.
Fucking thing. Big cloud of smoke here from firing him, eh? Ooh, this is so thick.
Very
I was living in
cool.
Salvo, I was on the fire department, and then it's always firefighters to light up fireworks. So we're counting day, and then they're like, I was the new guys, so like, Derek, you want to set them off? I'm like, yeah. And then the chief's like, Derek, you're fucking hammered. You're not setting off the fireworks. I'm like, oh man. I haven't done it, but I like once I'm like, walking some balls after them. I didn't do any of them last year. I got tons of fireworks at home. I should have brought some out. I don't
Fuck yeah, eh?
Bunch of Roman candles and bottle rockets.
We should go in on a whole bunch for Halloween or something,
That's what I did
man.
last year. I went to Dunkin'
Yeah,
and
we
bought
should.
a bunch, and I go in there and he's
We
like,
should go up there together
I'm
next
like, hey,
Halloween.
I'm buying some fire, and he like goes to like hold them all in his hands. I'm like, no, dude, I'm here to spend a lot of money. You're gonna need a box.
I usually go up there and get like a few $100s.
That's what I did. I went and spent $200 last time. Got a shitload. I had bags of them. I was like, yeah.
We should do that and then like get a bunch of people together and go blow them all up at the same time or
Fuck
something.
yeah. Just lighting them all off at fucking that, I forget which one. It was like the earliest outdoor party this year. And Jolene through. I was lighting off a bunch of them, freaking people out. Lighting off air bombs. Boom! Shoot them like right. And so they'd blow up right above all the ravers' heads too. I'm like,
That's awesome. Scare the shit out of them.
oh yeah. Yeah, stupid smoke.
It totally is. It's like a big haze over it.
Where's the cool ones? I want the
The big fucking loud ones.
I like the ones that blow up and then there's the rockets that like pop.
Yeah, shooting off in all
Rockets go off
directions.
after it. Supposedly, I guess at the Seals game last night, they had a wicked fireworks show.
Yeah,
It's not like I could see it from my balcony.
Yeah,
I could hear it like,
I
from
heard
my
it from
place,
my place.
too. Yeah, it was all
There, I
over
heard.
town.
Yeah,
I didn't even.
Tracy was there. She said it was awesome,
Yeah.
like really good. That's a big cloud of smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Holy shit.
Whoa, that was cool.
I just heard it, and I opened my kitchen balcony door, and I looked, and it was like,
I was outside smoking a doobie, and I'm like, what the fuck? Is someone getting shot? What the fuck?
Yeah, I was wandering the streets too. I was like, what the fuck's going on?
This is their finale.
no, it was like already the fireworks.
It's only just started. This shouldn't be the finale.
That's totally the finale.
That was a good 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Honestly, every year, I'm gonna just wonder. Fireworks are the we're the capital. We should have big ones in it. Yeah. Do the fireworks first.
Vancouver's got the best one, I
Well,
think.
Vancouver's awesome.
Like,
Even
Vancouver has the festival like this.
Salvo has fucking crazy fireworks, dude. And it's a town of 1,500 people. That's cool. It's like it's 3D, like coming right at you. There you go. I like those ones. I haven't seen those before. They're like coming straight at you.
least it's not the finale. I'm glad. It's only been 5 fucking
Maybe
minutes.
it's just really long finale.
Yeah, Tracy said the one last night was like 10 minutes or something like that. Like, it's crazy.
That's
They had it
cool.
all along the fence, and they kept going off, like firing off the fence. He said the coolest part is not like here you just see them going off, but like there you actually saw them firing and shit too, right? Like going off. She went to the ballpark to see it. I'm disappointed. Not a single one of the ones I like yet. They didn't have any last year either.
And that's that?
That's it. That's kind of